I'm working on a 2011 F150. So what the problem I was having is when I put the key in and put it to the second position to go to start, all it would give me is this lit up dash, or the cluster, but it wouldn't give me this at all. So go to crank it, no crank, no power to the starter. I give it power to the starter, and it would crank over, but it would not start up. So I checked the fuse box, everything seemed good there, the relays and the fuses. So how I fixed this problem is I did a little bit of research, and I came up with, in the dash, or the interior fuse box down by the passenger side, there's a little kick panel. You pull that off, and there's the fuses, and there's also connectors going to that panel board. And one of the connectors had come off. So that was the problem. I plugged it back in, and that was a simple fix. So hopefully this video will help you out. So now when I crank the key over, the cluster is lit up, and I can actually start it. So hopefully that helps out. I know that I was watching other videos that was trying to say there was problems with the remote start, and also wiring to the PCM. This was a semi-related issue with the PCM. Also, I couldn't even shift it out of park. This was towed here, and they couldn't even get it off the trailer very well because it was stuck in park. So couldn't even move the gear selector at all. So hopefully this helps out, and yeah.